bridge. Exercise is the bridge on the ball. So, doing the bridge on the ball, we want to just stay flat. Try to level yourself out. Your shoulders, your hips, and your knees should be in one straight line. And you want to hold for about 30 seconds. Notice my head supported on the ball, leaning on the ball. You don't want to have the head off the ball. This exercise is the hip hinge. So get in the bridge position. Again, the head is on the ball. You want to have your elbows straight. You don't want to come up and jam too much. You want to come up till it's comfortable. And then tap your buttock to the ground or as far down as you can get and come up. And again, you just want to come to a comfortable position. Hold 3 seconds and go down again. Come up, hold for 3 seconds. Now, you don't want to jam up. You don't want to jam your back. You just want to support yourself and go down and come up. Now, to make it a little more difficult and incorporate the hamstrings, you can push your feet a little further away from the ball. Again, the head is supported, and you can come down and come up. And you're going to be working the hamstrings, the buttock, the lower back, and the core. One-legged hip hinge. So, one-legged hip hinge. In the neutral position, you want to hold this, and you want to cross one leg over, put your hands down to stabilize, and come up to the hip hinge position, neutral, go down, and come up, hold, 1, 2, 3, go down, and come up. Notice I'm not rolling forward. Stay in a neutral position. Come down and come up. And then switch legs. And you're going to come down and come up. Again, just like somebody's pulling you with a string. Come down and come up. Hold 3 seconds. Down and come up. Bridge. Hip hinge, double leg. Okay? So, what you want to do is come to a neutral position, head on the ball, and you want to drop the buttock straight down and come up. You don't want to roll forward. So if you watch, I'm coming down and come up. Hold 3 seconds. You can keep your arm on the floor if you need to. Come down and come up. As if somebody's pulling you with a string. You don't want to move forward. Come down and come up. That's the hip hinge, double leg. Hip hinge, single leg. This is the hip hinge. You're in a double leg position, hands on the floor, cross one leg over, and in a neutral position, you want to drop your hips down and come up. Hold 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Come down and come up. 1, 2, 3. Come down and come up. After you're done your set, you want to switch to the other side. And you want to come down and come up. Again, you're not rolling forward. Down and come up. Hold for 3 seconds. That's the single leg hip hinge.